right, today we are going to review our sight words and our spelling words, and then we're going to use our spelling words to make different words. So here we go. I'm going to say them, you repeat. And, was, saw, the, has, now, to, is, do, you, look, all, tall, say. Okay, so now we have our spelling words for the week. So we have corn. Remember, our OR pattern is what we're working with this week. It makes the OR sound. So we have corn, porch, short, store. Remember the E is silent, and floor. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the word corn. Okay, so we are going to take this B and we are going to replace the C with a B. So now instead of corn, we have born. Born. Okay, so now let's try a W. So we had corn, then we had born, now we have worn. Worn. Let's try one more. Let's try a TH. Remember, when you put a TH together, it makes the th sound. Tongue between your teeth, it makes the th sound. So we have thorn, thorn. Very good. Okay, so now we have the word porch, porch, porch. Now, if I put a T in front of the P, so now we have torch, torch. Okay, now we're going to get rid of that T, and now we're going to change the end of the word. Okay, so we had porch, now we have pork, pork. All right, so down here, our next spelling word, we had short, short. I'm going to go ahead and take my F and replace that SH. So now instead of short, we have fort, fort. Very good. All right, now instead of the F, we're going to put an SP. Remember, SP blend makes the sp sound. So now we have sport, sport. Very good. Okay, let's move on to our next spelling word. This one we have or silent E, store. Okay, now I'm going to replace that ST and I'm going to put an M in there. So still silent E, now we have or, more. Very good. Okay, I'm going to replace that M with an SN. Remember, SN makes the SN sound. Still a silent E. We've got sn or, snore. Very good. Okay, remember this one is kind of the odd one, okay? The one that doesn't really follow the rule, okay? This one has two O's and an R, but it still makes the or sound. So we had full or. I'm going to take the FL and replace it with a P. So now we have or, pour. Now, last one, I'm going to replace that P with a D, and now I have or, door. So we had floor, then pour, then door. Now today we are going to do one of our poetry posters like we used to do in class. What I want you to do is while you're listening to the poster, find all the words that have the OR pattern in them that make that or sound.
Early one morn. Early one morn, as I hurried to town, a blast from a horn sent me tumbling down. Away rolled my hat as I dropped all my corn. Thorns grabbed at my leg, and my best pants were torn.
So it says early one morn. Early one morn, as I hurried to town, a blast from a horn sent me tumbling down. Away rolled my hat as I dropped all my corn. Thorns grabbed at my leg, and my best pants were torn. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go and find a few of those OR words. So one of them that I see right here is the word mourn. Okay, so let me see if I can find another one. Early one morn, there's morn again. As I hurried to town, a blast from a horn is another one that has that OR sound, sent me tumbling down. Away rolled my hat as I dropped all my corn. So far, these are all rhyming words. Mourn, horn, and corn. All those words rhyme. Thorns grabbed at my leg, and my best pants were torn. All of these words are rhyming words. Do you see how they end the same? Mourn, horn, corn, and torn. You're just changing the first letter like we just practiced. All right, good job, guys.